Welcome to our tutorial on how to share a rotated photo on Messenger Story with the latest updates. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to seamlessly share your rotated photos. To get started, open Messenger on your Android device to initiate the sharing process. Locate the Stories feature at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Add to your story to begin composing your Messenger story. Choose a photo from your gallery or capture a new one using the in-app camera to include in your story. Once you've selected the photo, you'll notice the option to crop it before sending. Tap on this option to access the editing tools, where you can also rotate the photo to achieve the desired orientation. After rotating the photo to your liking, tap on Done to confirm the changes made to the image. To share the rotated photo on your Messenger story, simply tap on Share Now to make it visible to your contacts and followers. By following these straightforward steps, you can add a creative touch to your Messenger story by sharing rotated photos. Thank you for watching, and enjoy enhancing your storytelling experience on Messenger with uniquely rotated photos.